Accidental exposures to fentanyl are leading to staggering increases in fatalities, according to this report. Families Against Fentanyl found across the country between 2015 and 2021, deaths among children aged 1 to 4 increased 15-fold. King County prosecutors are seeing an increase too.
Traumatic, terrible cases where children are being hurt.
Happening today.
You understand you're being charged with the crime of murder in the second degree that happened on or about May 23rd of 2024.
Ashley Creighton.
Yes.
Went before a judge. Prosecutors say the 33-year-old gave birth to her daughter on May 18th. Paramedics and police were called here 5 days later and in Creighton's room found the baby's lifeless body. Investigators say evidence of narcotics use was visible too.
The toxicology report found that the cause of death of the baby was toxic effects of methamphetamine, fentanyl, and malnutrition. The other information we found was that Ms. Creighton was aware that the baby was drug addicted when born.
Obviously, the defense has a completely different take on the facts and will be prepared to argue those.
Cases like this are why the King County prosecuting attorney and Seattle City attorney sent a letter to lawmakers in January calling for fentanyl to be added to the endangerment with a controlled substance law. Because they say currently, if a child is exposed to fentanyl and survives, it is not a felony crime.
I understand the hesitancy that lawmakers have to criminalize addiction, but this is something separate. This is addressing the behavior that hurts children.
Prosecutors say as a result,
The state is requesting that the bail be set at $1 million.
they're seeing tragic outcomes. Now, while prosecutors were asking for $1 million bail, the judge set it at $750,000. The defendant remains in jail here and today entered not guilty plea. Joyce?
So, Natalie, when it comes to fentanyl fatalities among children, how much of an increase are prosecutors in King County seeing?
Well, in 2020 is when the prosecutor's office really saw some cases start to develop. There were 2 cases where fentanyl was a factor that year. Then in 2023, there were 4 cases. So far this year, there's been 3. And in almost all of the cases, the children were under the age of 2. Joyce?
Natalie Swaby in Seattle, thank you.